When you or a loved one needs a criminal lawyer, you want nothing but the best. So how do you search for the right criminal attorney for your situation? In today's segment, we have one of the leading experts in criminal law to help you get some insights into finding the most dedicated attorney for the job.
Often, my clients will tell me that their constitutional rights have been violated by the police. Sometimes this is the case, but sometimes individuals do not have a firm understanding of the constitutional rules that protect them from illegal search and seizure. The following are some considerations a citizen should consider to determine whether their constitutional rights have been violated and whether the law provides relief from an illegal search. Number 1. Does the Fourth Amendment apply? First, you must ask, has an illegal search occurred? Was this illegal search a seizure of property? Has the seizure of a person been committed? Number 2. Arrests. When the police arrest an individual, by law, this is a seizure. What becomes difficult is the gray line between the police detaining an individual and arresting him or her. Ask, was the police action a seizure? Questions that must be included are, number 1, did the officer require compliance? Number 2, did the officer lawfully apply physical force? Number 3, did the officer block the defendant's way, display a weapon, or activate a siren or flashes? Number 4, did the defendant submit to the show of authority? If the police action was a detention, did the officer know specific or articulable facts warranting the detention? One of the most important questions a person can ask when stopped by the police to decide whether they are under arrest is, would a reasonable, innocent person, under the circumstances, consider himself or herself free to leave? To determine this, ask yourself, did the officer take the defendant's identification? Did the officer escort the defendant to an interrogation room? Did the officer hold the defendant in an interrogation room for a long period of time? What were the conditions of that interrogation room? Did the defendant become the focus of the investigation? Did the officer hold the defendant while he or she developed evidence or continued investigating the case? And did anyone tell the defendant he or she was free to leave? These are all considerations and challenges that can be made to the search and arrest of a person. If you or a loved one has been arrested for drug offenses, gun offenses, or other state or federal offenses, you need to be advised as to your rights and opportunities under the law. Call the law office of Purav Bhatt at 773-791-9682 to discuss your case.
Wow, that's easy! The right attorney will take the next steps with you, and you'll be thrilled you took the time to research. To find out more information, contact today's expert at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.